Need to permanently remove confidential or sensitive information from a PDF document? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to redact sensitive information in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. Follow along to ensure your private data stays protected before sharing your files. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the file is open, go to the Tools menu and select Redact. Next, click Mark for Redaction. You can then select the text, images, or areas of the document that contain sensitive information you want to remove. So, by this feature, you can remove sensitive contents. After the redactions are complete, save the document to preserve the changes. It's a good idea to review the final PDF to ensure all sensitive information has been properly removed before sharing the file with others. And that's it. You've successfully redacted sensitive information in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF security and document management tips.